Good afternoon, teacher and mates. My name is James Anderson Acuña. I was born in Bogota. I have 30 years old. I live in Cibate. I am a student in environmental engineering in the virtual University UNAD, course 10th semester. I work in the company Andino Glass 5 years ago. The traditional place chosen for the presentation is the Parish of Our Lady of Carmen. Parish of Our Lady of Carmen. It is located in the Rise 7, no number 1024B, in the municipality of Cibate. The church was built between 1953 and 1270, with the margin of 20 years of the parish priest Julio Cesar Beltrán. The construction and three naves separated by column line in the stone. The designing one spirit be the Cathedral of Bogota. In 2018, the parish was named Sanctuary of the Virgin of Carmen, place of veneration. For this reason, the altar tree, the image of the Virgin of locality, is remodeled. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.